I think I better go ahead and harvest the pomegranates. Look like they're gonna get any bigger. I'm starting to see like some little holes on them. Something is biting on them. So let me go on and harvest these pomegranates. I see more leaves are growing back greener on it. Okay, come on and grow me some more pomegranates. Look at the inside of my pomegranates. Got some juicy red juice there. Okay. Let me pull one of these out and taste it. Look at that. That's filled with little juice. Mmm. Sweet. Okay, pomegranate. Look at all my juicy pomegranates there. Blend them up and make me a little juice. I see some more of my pomegranates starting to grow. After I harvest the two that I had out here, I see, look like 3 more coming. No, 4. Okay. Come on, pomegranate. Grow some more for us so we can enjoy.